Feel good on your old teeth?
I need you one.
Baby Ricky!
I get one, Dad.
Yeah.
Here, in my hand.
There's Pluto. There's Baby Donald.
It's not open.
Yes, it does. You gotta go like this. Oh, just gonna play around. Just put it back in. Okay, push him back down. Look, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got tan. I got tan.
Yeah, just go like that. No, push that one, that one. There you go. There. There.
You say 1, 3. You say 1, 3. You say 1. 1.
Say one what? Oh, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Casey wants to play with my AC unit there.
You want to brush your teeth?
Oh boy.
You're doing still on Christmas.
We'll have to get you some
Huh?
toothpaste.
I need some toothpaste.
Okay, how about if we brush our teeth after we finish opening presents?
Okay.
Can you go put him back over there in his holder?
Yeah.
Open it up, Miles.
That's not too happy.
And look, animal dominoes.
Spin them around so you can read them on the dominoes.
Oh! It fell down.
It fell down.
Yeah.
Pull the paper off.
Use this
Well, let's take the paper off. We'll open these up and play it later. It's a game!
I play that game.
Yeah, we'll play it after a while, okay?
Okay. I hope this one first. I'll this one first.
Here, hand Mommy the game. Can you hand me the game?
I hope this one first.
Okay, that's your last one.
It's more over there.
Yeah, those are for Mommy.
Oh boy, look at that, Miles.
I love the way it looks.
Oops.
I need to play this.
Ooh,
is
boy,
it?
look at that.
A trap.
A track.
A track for your little
Man,
cars.
that is nice, Miles.
No, that turtle's on there. That turtle's on there.
I bet
you
your little
your-
police cars will fit on there.
Yeah. I bet you Casey's little car will fit on there too.
Oh. You look this up.
Can you turn around so Daddy can see a picture of it?
Yeah, turn around here. Turn the box around. Yeah, look at that. Boy, that looks like fun.
I need to look this up.
180 Expressway.
I need to look this up. I need to look this up.
Okay.
Glass. It's for Mama.
See.
It's for Mama.
Let me see.
Yeah. Yes.
Amazing. Turn
Well,
it
just a minute. Let me
around.
get the paper off of it.
Okay.
cook outside. Cook outside. Oh boy. A propane grill. Oops.
You made that one, Daddy.
No, we don't have one like this. The Becks have one like this, but we don't have one like this. This means Daddy's gonna cook outside.
Easier.
Legs.
You really want to take it all apart?
Well, I gotta show it to you. There's the bottom part. There's the middle part. And there's the top part.
Probably could go ahead and put it. We'll put it together here after.
Yeah.
They have handles in there and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's got all that stuff in there. Thank you. All right.
Well, go ahead and open your other little present.
Another present. I bet that's the gas. Oh, it's heavy too. Yeah.
I need to play my toys.
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, I need to play my toys.
Propane. Just what I've always wanted. Propane. Great. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Right. Is that it for me?
Yeah.
That's it. It's my Christmas.
There's more.
It's not
See,
your
I'm not
Christmas.
gonna cry about it. Huh?
It's not your Christmas. You got your workmate too.
That's true. Well, it's in the garage. Yeah.
And you got a retreat.
And the retreat. Yes, I need the retreat.
I need dogs. I need taking
Cheese.
This is to Mama from Casey and Miles.
Look, look.
Is this from you and Casey, Miles?
You got another pie?
Yeah, I got a present. This is from you and Casey.
You got another one to that one?
I don't know. Is that what this is?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to tell me. It's a secret. I should open it.
I think you have to set it on the ground and then. Okay.
Okay, do it like this.
I don't know if it's upside down or not.
Make sure I save this box. Miles! Miles!
Miles!
Would you, what,
Sit
Miles,
down.
I
Sit
will
down.
open it, bud. We don't want it to break.
Mommy, I need open.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
I need to win. I need to win. I need to win. I
Yeah.
need to win.
No, Miles, no, sweetie. I will let you look at it. Here. Look. See, look. Should we turn it?
You're ready to win, my dear. Where's mine?
I think you have to set it completely flat.
I need mine. I need mine.
Miles, be quiet for a minute.
Does it sound kind of raspy?
Yeah, that's what I was hearing.
I think there's a screw that needs to be tightened up on the bottom of it.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the music.
Gas grill, Casey? Hmm?
I have a that one. I have a that
What
one.
is that in the back of it?
A pipe.
A pipe.
Yeah. Give me this. This.
Oh, that's to the grill.
Mm-hmm.
Careful with that, Miles. Hold on. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
He got a car. Mama, he got a car.
He caught a car. He's got a policeman, doesn't he?
He's slow.
do you think of that, Casey?